Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to take you on a journey inside one of the most jaw-dropping machines ever to hit the road, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling 5-star suite that redefines what luxury on wheels really means. The moment you see it from the outside, the massive W900 presence commands attention, but what truly makes it extraordinary is the transformation inside. This legendary truck has been reimagined into a palace on wheels, designed for those who demand both power and unmatched comfort. Step inside the motorhome, and you immediately realize this isn't like any motorhome you've seen before. The space feels expansive, with high-end finishes, ambient lighting, and a layout that makes it feel more like a luxury apartment than something attached to a truck chassis. Every corner is crafted to maximize both style and function, making long-haul journeys feel effortless and indulgent. The kitchen is a masterpiece on its own. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a convection oven, it's built to handle anything from a quick snack to a gourmet meal. The counter space is surprisingly generous, featuring premium materials that make cooking not only easy, but enjoyable. There's ample storage with soft close cabinets and drawers that keep everything secured while you're on the move. Imagine parking anywhere on the map and still being able to prepare dinner like you're in a high-end condo. That's the kind of freedom this Kenworth delivers. Now let's move into the bedroom, and this is where the W900 really surprises you. Gone are the cramped sleeping quarters you might expect in a truck. Instead, you're greeted with a full-sized bed wrapped in luxury linens, designer headboard, and side storage that makes the room feel refined and personal. There's even space for entertainment, with a mounted smart TV perfectly placed for late-night movies. The soundproofing is so good you could forget you're on the road, making this the perfect retreat after a long day of travel. And then, the bathroom. A feature most motorhomes compromise on, but not here. Step inside and you'll find a full-sized shower with modern fixtures, a sleek vanity with a stylish sink, and high-quality materials that rival those of a luxury hotel. The design ensures there's no feeling of being squeezed in. Instead, it feels like a spa on wheels. The water system is engineered for efficiency, but the comfort is uncompromised, giving you the luxury of a proper shower no matter where you've parked. The Kenworth W900 motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. From the kitchen where meals become experiences, to the bedroom where rest feels royal, to the bathroom that delivers pure comfort, this machine proves you don't have to choose between rugged trucking power and luxury living. This is where the open road meets 5-star luxury, and it's nothing short of incredible.